Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get unlimited data from Optus. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is make sure we've got the Optus app downloaded and installed on our mobile device. So you can do this by going to either your Player App Store. From there, open up My Optus, and then you need to sign in to your Optus account. Once you're signed in, we need to click onto where it says you've got network data and calls. Click on where it says data, and then under here it will say get more data. So go ahead and click on get more data, then you'll be taken to this option here. And at the bottom of the page here, you should have an option saying want unlimited data instead. So they've got an unlimited data day. Not every service is going to have this, by the way, too, just depending what service you've got with Optus. So go ahead and click on unlimited data days for $5 a day. Click onto that, then click continue.